In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Metatrader5 server. When you're working with Metatrader5, one of the first and most important things you need to know is how to connect and manage your trading server. Without a proper connection, you can't place trades, monitor the market in real time, or manage your accounts effectively. So in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the core process of logging in and making sure your Metatrader5 is properly connected to your broker's server. Start by opening your Metatrader5 platform on your computer. Once it's open, look toward the top left corner of the window. You'll see a menu bar with several options, and the one we're interested in is labeled File. Go ahead and click on File. This menu is where you'll find many of the core commands for working with accounts, charts, and platform settings. After you click File, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select the option that says Login to Trade Account. This is the option that lets you connect Metatrader5 to your broker's trading server using your personal account details. When you click it, a login window will pop up. In this login window, you'll see fields where you can enter your trading account number, your password, and choose the correct server from a list. Take your time here and make sure you're using the exact details provided by your broker. The server name needs to match what your broker gave you, because each broker can have multiple servers, often separated into demo and live environments. Now, simply follow the on-screen prompts. The platform will guide you through the process step by step. Typically, that means entering your account number, typing in your password carefully, selecting the appropriate server, and confirming your choices. If there is a checkbox to save your account information, you can choose to enable it if you're on a secure personal device and want faster logins later. Once you confirm, Metatrader5 will attempt to connect to the server. Look at the bottom right corner of the platform for connection status and data flow. If everything is set up correctly, you should see that you're connected and receiving price updates. From there, you're ready to manage your trades, monitor the markets, and use the full functionality of Metatrader5, all backed by a stable connection to your trading server.